Everybody loves tacos and burritos. Now I'm going to show you how to make a cactus burrito. Yeah, you see this here beautiful tortilla and the beautiful outlay and the beautiful photography. Well, I don't do that because we're a cactus farm. We're going to do it our way. We use potatoes and eggs and cactus and cilantro. We're going to use onion and garlic. And we've got spices. Paprika, black pepper, garlic, cumin, chili powder. We're going to use olive oil. And the piece de la resistance, cactus salsa. We're going to cut the taters a little small. Same with the onions. We're going to heat them over medium heat. We're going to cover it. Let them taters and onions cook a bit. Meanwhile, we're going to whisk up some eggs. We want them really frothy. They're going to cook separate. A little olive oil in our $3 skillet. And this skillet, well, it's a bit uneven, but it's still fine for cooking. We're going to add the diced cactus to the taters and onions now. We have a video on how to prepare cactus. I'll link to it at the end of this video. Cactus doesn't take long to cook. So we're doing this all pretty much when the potatoes are just about done. Now back to the eggs. We're going to draw up some of the hardened stuff toward the center. Let that liquid go back in there and harden up some more. This will give us some nice fluffy scrambled eggs to add to the potatoes and cactus and onions. Stirring of the cactus. Cover it again for a few more minutes. Let it cook a little bit more, and you'll notice once the cactus is about done, it changes color to a very pale green. So now we're finishing everything up. Add in the cooked eggs. The eggs were still just a little bit moist. We're going to finish them up now. Add the cilantro and garlic. Now come our spices. Got the black pepper. We got salt. We got cumin. And we have red chili powder. Now comes time to heat that tortilla up. What you want to do is put it on a warm skillet, griddle. Toss it over a few times. Get it nice and warm. It'll be super soft. Once it's soft, but before it starts to cook, lay it out on the plate. Put your favorite seasonings in. I hope it's got some cactus in it. So there's our seasoning, is the cactus salsa we're putting on top. There's a link to that video on how to make cactus salsa at the end of this video. Fold that over. Roll the ends up. Kind of tuck that in with your finger. It's like rolling a big joint. Get it rolled around, pat it down. It's ready to go. Well, folks, thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more.